In this video, you'll learn how to use and customize the MindTap Reader. To begin, navigate to the relevant chapter and click into the Chapters Reading folder to reveal the sections of the ebook. Then, click into the relevant section of the book. The ebook section will load. You can make highlights and take notes within the ebook just as your students can. To do this, simply click and drag over the relevant text. When you lift up on your cursor, you're given a list of color choices to use for your highlighter. If you want to make the highlight for yourself, choose one of the 4 color options. If you'd like to make a highlight that will show to your students, click on the orange icon with the arrow. This will create a shared highlight that will show to your students in their ebooks as well as in their study hub. You can do the same with your notes. Click Add Note. A sticky note will appear on the page, and you can type the text of your note. If you'd like this note to be shared with your students, click on the Share icon here and click Save. Again, this note will show in your students' copies of the ebook and will also show in their study hub that they can use to make study guides for the chapter. You can also embed your own resources at point of reference right within the ebook. To do this, click on the pencil icon in the top left-hand corner to activate the edit mode. This will reveal orange plus mark icons in the margins of the page. Wherever you see a plus mark is an area where you can add in your own content. To do so, click on the plus mark, and a list of activities that you can add in line into the reader will appear. Notice that these are very similar to the type of activities that you can add directly into the learning path. These include YouTube videos, links out to outside websites, pulling in research resources and scholarly articles from the Questia research app, as well as adding in your own content. In this example, we'll add in an example of a YouTube video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the YouTube video, and we're going to go ahead and search for a specific YouTube video. You can search by keyword or if you have the YouTube video ID. You can click on the YouTube video title to preview the video. When you're ready to use it, simply click on the radio button and click Continue. You can add in your own text that will show before or after the video, should you want to provide context to your students, pose a question, or add in any other notations. Click Continue, and the video will appear in line in the ebook. The student can play the video directly in line.
This is a thing.
Students could also make the video full screen by clicking on the full screen icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the video window. You can remove any items that you've added by simply clicking the minus sign next to the plus mark. This will remove any items that you've added in. Like your students, you also have the ability to make the font size larger or smaller on the page using the icons in the top right-hand corner. You can bookmark pages by clicking on the ribbon, and you can also make use of the Read Speaker by clicking on the Read Speaker icon in the top left-hand corner of the page. All notes and highlights that you make throughout the text are tracked for you in the My Notes area on the right side in the app dock. You can also access the Study Hub as well. This will give you an area where you can create study guides for your students, review the annotations that you've made, as well as access any bookmarks.